Thanks, Mom, for making me love beets as a child. Hey guys, it's Janelle and welcome back to Steamy Vegan Kitchen. I'm bringing you a new recipe video today. It's fall and we are having a delicious warm salad. I'm going to show you how to make this roasted beet, carrot, and Brussels sprout salad. It is so yummy and it is really worth the extra time it takes to make it. Despite how long this meal might take to make, it is so simple and it totally makes up for it. I decided to eat this with a bit of quinoa, but you can totally have it on its own. It makes a great light meal, or you can bulk it up by serving it with some quinoa or rice or whatever other grain you love. We got some massaged kale. Yes, that's right. This kale has seriously seen some action today. You get to massage it by hand with some olive oil, make it nice and soft. Gets a little bit wilty when you pair it up with the nicely roasted veggies. It's so good. The Brussels sprouts are perfectly roasted. They're a little bit golden. So much flavor. The balsamic vinegar gives it this amazing tang. And a little tiny bit of cayenne pepper gives it just the littlest bit of kick. You can totally skip that if spice is not your thing. If you haven't ever tried making a warm salad, or that just kind of sounds weird, you really should try this. It's so good, and everyone needs a warm salad in their fall cooking arsenal. So try it out and let me show you how to make this delicious roasted veggie salad. For this recipe, you will need 4 large or 6 small carrots, 2 large beets, 15 Brussels sprouts, 4 packed cups of kale, 2 cloves of garlic, half a cup of raw pumpkin seeds, half a cup of dried cranberries, a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Alrighty, let's start out by preparing the veggies. Wash and cube and peel, if you like, your carrots into 1/2-inch chunks, then place them into a large mixing bowl. Next, wash and cut the Brussels sprouts in half, removing the stem and the outer layer. Add them into your bowl of carrots. Scrub and peel the beets and chop them into roughly 1/2-inch cubes. Add them to a separate mixing bowl to prevent completely dyeing the veggies bright pink, just like your hands. Next, sprinkle about half your salt and cayenne pepper over the carrots and Brussels, followed by 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and mix well to combine. Into your bowl of beets, sprinkle the remaining salt and cayenne pepper as well as 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and mix well to combine. Next, dump the carrots and Brussels on 1/2 of a large baking dish, followed by the beets to the other half. If you forgot to add the minced garlic earlier like I did, you can simply sprinkle it over the mixture here and gently stir it a little bit to combine. Cover the dish with foil and bake for 40 minutes at 350 degrees. Meanwhile, in the same bowl you mixed the carrots and Brussels in, add your 4 cups of torn kale. Pour in the remaining 1 tablespoon of olive oil and thoroughly massage it into the kale until each piece is coated. This helps to soften the tough fibers and make it a little less chewy. Next, add your pumpkin seeds into a small skillet and toast them on medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. Carefully and quickly remove the baking dish from the oven and remove the foil. Evenly pour the balsamic vinegar over the cooked veggies and carefully stir it to combine. Place it back into the oven, uncovered, for another 10 minutes to cook. Once the 10 minutes is up, carefully remove it from the oven. Sprinkle the toasted pumpkin seeds over the mixture, followed by the dried cranberries. Lastly, dump the massaged kale over the hot mixture, cover it with foil, and let it steam for about 5 minutes. The steaming part is optional, but wilting the kale a bit does make it not so tough and chewy. Then give everything a good toss to evenly coat the kale in that delicious balsamic-y glazed goodness, and it's ready to enjoy. Serve it up on its own for a nice light meal, or with some hearty quinoa for a more filling bowl, like I did here. The colors of this cozy fall salad just make me so happy. It's bright, it's flavorful, and super nutritious. This could be a wonderful side dish at a Thanksgiving dinner and a great opportunity for you to show off your amazing vegan cooking skills to your friends and family. Thank you guys so much for watching this recipe video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and that you're gonna go and make yourself a delicious warm salad. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notifications bell so you never ever miss out on one of my videos that I post. And that's all I have to say. Make this salad, enjoy it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! That's why you shouldn't talk with food in your mouth, because then you choke. Like me. If you have... Sorry. Avocado plant. I grew this, by the way. I lost my train of thought. What do I say next? I gosh darn love beets.